Hello everyone, so I have another unboxing video. I do have my Barbie swimsuit. I did get a large this time because remember last time? I will show it over here, one of these corners, but I unboxed it and I got a medium and it barely fit me. So this time I got a large. Now it only has the swimsuit and I don't think you can use this for swimming. It's just labeled as swimsuit because it's her swimsuit attire. It's Barbie's swimsuit attire, but it's very thin. I don't think you can wear this for swimming because, you know, of the material. It's very stretchable, but like you are able to see through it, especially since there's white. You are going to see everything if you put this in the water. So the back has a zipper, which I like, but I don't think that's necessary since it is a stretchy material, but I like that they added that little detail. She doesn't have straps on the movie, so you may either tuck the straps in or edit it out from the picture if you're gonna take pictures. I'm just not sure how it's going to be. Will it go down if you don't put the straps on, since there's not much support on the top? There's no lining on it. The pattern is not exact. Hers has like, I'm not sure what that is called, but it's like a cloud line, but it's not as straight as this. They don't sell those yet, so that's why I got this. And you know what? I think this will look so good on any body type since the lines will make you look thinner. You see how the line goes up here and then the lining there, it goes down. I think it'll accentuate your figure, make you look sexier, make you look like you have that hourglass shape. So yeah, I did buy the earrings from Shein and it broke earlier. I had to fix it, but I really like it. I think I'm just gonna order another set just to have a backup because I don't want it to keep on breaking, you know. Just have to have like another set just in case that ever happens again. I don't want to have to keep on re-gluing it, you know. But the wig is also from Shein. I will have a separate video for that. I had this glasses for a long time. I just love that vintage look. So it's a cheap, really cheap glasses. You can buy it anywhere. They probably have it on Shein too, but it looks really nice, right? Alright guys, I'm gonna go ahead and try this costume on. I'll be right back. Oh my gosh guys, I had lipstick on my teeth this whole time. Hello guys, I am in love with this costume. Just look at it, oh my gosh. I'm so happy. So I was wrong with the figure. I don't think it'll make it look thinner, but maybe I'm just too fat. But I love this costume so much. I can't wait to take pictures. You can wear it without. You cannot remove the straps, so I just tucked it in. But I think it can work like that as long as you have a bra or something that'll support this part because it doesn't have any lining. So yeah, I think that is it for this video. I can't wait to take pictures. I love this look so much. I look like a doll. She did that in one of the scenes. I think it was the teaser. She had like curly bangs in that one, but her main poster is just her regular bangs, so that's why I didn't get those kind of hairstyle, the 50s look. Yeah, what do you guys think? I do recommend this costume so much, guys. It's really cheap, like 800 pesos. So plus shipping, it's gonna be like 900 or 850 pesos. I'm not so sure like the exact amount, but it's around that price. So I do recommend this costume, guys. Go get it right now while it's still available. It's very cheap, affordable, and it looks classy. Classic Barbie look. You don't even have to wear contacts with this one. Like, just hide your eyes. If you don't have blue eyes like Barbie, just wear your glasses all the time. I do have more Barbie content coming up soon, so make sure you click like and subscribe if you still haven't. And don't forget to follow me on all my other social medias. I do stream on Twitch and on YouTube sometimes. It just really depends on my mood, but follow me on Twitch. I will leave a link right here, or my screen name, username, and also on my Instagram, because I will be posting a lot of my cosplay content there. And all my other social medias will be in the description bar below, or description box below. And that is it for my video, guys. I hope to see you again next time. Bye!